Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from My Sagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Seven Archangels urgent message for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at triggers ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain ka ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik-liglig na umapaw ay manumbalik sa inyo, guys. Maraming salamat sa umpisa na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Gemini. Umpisahan na. Ano ang pinaka-messages for you ng ating mga gabay? Wow, there's a magician, a manifestation, di ba? Kumbaga, there's a desires into reality. Para mayroon ka dito, may isa sa katuparan. And of course, there's a judgment. And of course, sinasabi dito sa'yo na, kumbaga, there's an awakening or wake of call or something. Kumbaga, meron dito pabulabog sa'yo na meron ka ditong dapat malaman, no? Meron dito makakatulong sa'yo pan makapag-attract na magandang swerte. May nakikita ko dito pusa na gold or something. Eh, bumili ka ng raw ng pusa na gold na gumaganon yung kamay para at least makatulong sa'yo sa negosyo mo kung may negosyo ka, ha? And of course, wow, the Wheel of Fortune is here. Wow, kabog, my goodness. Kumaga, the Wheel of Fortune dito, may swerte, no? Kumaga, may swerte talagang akaakibat dito. Kumaga, there's a shining through na magkakaroon ka ng blessed and good luck. Kumaga, there's a turning point events na sinasabi dito na mukhang umikot ang kapalaran, no? And of course, there is a Knight of Cups, an offer. Wow, there's an offer. Excuse me. There's an offer, ha? Offer for, let's see, what is that offer? And of course, there's, Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance, no? Maging balance sa pagdidesisyon sa may mga bagay-bagay, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a Chariot card. Taking actions, no? Maging balance sa mga actions mo. 'Di ba? Maging balance sa mga thoughts mo, no? Yung mga binibitaw mo salita, either or something. So, what is the Magician? What is the Magician? There's a Devil card. Oh my God! The Magician, tapos mapat pa yung the Devil. Ibig sabihin, may taong gumagawa sa'yo ng black magic involved, eh. What is the Judgment? Ano itong paalala na to? Because there's a Knight of Wands. No? There's a final push. May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ilaban, no? Because what is the Wheel of Fortune? What is the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Temperance, sa perfect timing. Oo. Kumbaga, there's a turning event, pero there's a perfect timing, or there's a divine timing, no? Mayroon kang hintay dito, there's a time to heal, or time to progress, or something na takes time. And of course, sabi ng the Devil and the Magician, gusto ko tong malaman later. So, what is the Knight of Cups? What is the Knight of Cups? And of course, there's an Eight of Swords, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa negativity. Itong offer na to baka magdala sa'yo ng toxic, no? Kumaga kailangan maging aware ka. So, what is a Two of Swords? Two of Pentacles. Parang kailangan mong kumawala dito sa mga negativity na to. And of course, there's a Tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? May mga biglaang pagbabago, pero kailangan panatiliin mong balanse ka, no? Para hindi ka malaglag, no? Dun sa bagay o kinakatayuan mo. Para hindi ka magkamali or tendency, hindi ka mag-collapse or kumbaga pagdating sa negosyo, hindi magkaroon ng bankruptcy or something. And because there's a Page of Swords na sinasabi dito, get more information. Bago ka magtitake ng actions, kailangan mo munang alamin, no? At himay-himayin yung bawat detalye. Hindi mo pwede maging pala desisyon, no? Para at least sinasabi dito, walang gut, no? Or walang doubt sa huli, no? Walang regret na mga ganap. So, what is the Magician, the Devil? And of course, there's a Five of Swords. Oh. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na there's a fair fight or something na magkakaroon ng self-sabotage, maaaring naiinggit to behind your back. Or some of you guys, maaaring, kumbaga, meron ditong involvement na, let's see kung ano involvement dito na nagbibigay ng self-sabotage. Maaaring nagkakaroon ng inside job, ganon. So let's see, what is the additional messages? I-clear out ko to. What is the magician, the devil, and of course the five of swords. And of course there is a Six of Swords, the transition. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa negativity or kailangan mong kumawala sa tao sa paligid mo, yung environment, no? At transitions, no? Kaya may mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin, no? It's an obsession siguro or something na possession or addictions or something na pagiging greedy din or either, no? Kumbaga, nagiging greedy ka siguro na matupad kagad yung mga pangarap mo. Gusto mo maisakatuparan yung mga plano mo, kaya may tendency na parang hindi pa siya hinog. Kumbaga, pinipitas mo na, kaya nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, siguro maging aware ka lang sa mga thoughts mo, sa mga galawan mo with the devil energy. Hindi, walang gumagawa ng something sa'yo, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na maging aware ka lang sa mga thoughts and of course actions mo, no? Kasi nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, either kailangan mo magkaroon ng transition na baguhin mo yung perspective or yung mindset mo, no? At the same time, the devil is a greedy. Kumbaga, the greedy is an obsession or something. Kumbaga, kailangan mong alisin yon, no? Kumbaga, nagiging ka na, kumbaga, naseseduce ka sa sarili mo na kailangan matupad ko to as soon as possible, gato ganyan. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mong dumaan sa tamang proseso, no? Step by step, and of course, slow and steady. So, what is the judgment? Of course, the Knight of Wands. What is the Temperance of the Knight of Wands? And of course, there is King of Wands, slow and steady. Kailangan maging kalmado ka lang, no? Hindi ka pwede maging padalos-dalos sa lahat ng mga decision mo. So, what is the Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance? What is the Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance? And of course, there is a Page of Wands, a good news. May magandang balita daw dito, no? Or there is a news coming in for you. So, what is the King of Cups? And of course, there is an Eight of Swords. There's an High Priestess. There's an unexpected moment. May mga bagay na parang binibigla ka dito or something na there's a hidden agenda. May mga hidden agenda dito nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages. Or there's an hidden enemies rather, diba? So, let's see what is Two of Pentacles and the Tower moment. Okay, there's Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin dito, panatiliin mo maging balance in all the time, no? Sa decisions, sa actions, sa thoughts, and of course, ginagawa mo. So, what is Chariot and of course, the Page of Swords? There's the Sun card. There's a pure positivity and of course, there's success coming your way. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Na lagi makikinig sa gut feeling mo. And because there's a Ten of Wands, there's burden, no? Marami kang pinagdadaanan ngayon. At assure you na sinasabi sa'yo dito na maaring mabigat yan at talagang marami ding naiinggit behind your back. At marami ding na may mga pinagdaanan ka talagang masasakit at paghihirap talaga. So, let's see what is the outcome. Additional outcome. Para ma-clear out natin kung ano itong eksena na to. So, there is the Hangman. Oh, baguhin mo daw yung perspective mo, no? Kumbaga, there is a party or celebration, no? Na may mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin. Yung mga thoughts mo dito or yung mga actions, either yung mindset mo or perspective. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? Not today. Set the boundaries. May mga bagay na hindi puro oo, no? Marunong ka din dapat humindi. At the same time, there's an ahead of the card, no? Kumbaga, there's a take a chance and of course to risk, no? Kumbaga, minsan inaano dito na may mga bagay na nilalaban pero may mga bagay na hindi, no? So, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? Sinasabi dito, there's an action. So, kailangan mong kumilos and of course, there's a new beginning coming in for you. At the same time, there's soul ties, reunion, no? And of course, additional, there's a decision. May mga bagay na kailangan pagdesisyonan dito. May mga bagay na kailangan mo muna pag-isipan. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a study. May mga bagay na kailangan mong alamin, matutunan, mag-research or something. And of course, there's a justice. There's a good karma coming for you. And of course, there's a karma. Justice will serve. No, may mga bagay na magiging balanse ka at makakatulong sa'yo, no? Na para proteksyonan yung growths mo. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, positive thoughts create a positive outcome. Ito yung sinasabi ko na yung thoughts yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng ng stock and of course the hangman. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan laging positive ka. No? Some of you nagkakaroon kasi ng kanigahan talaga, no? Nagiging ego rather. At the same time, there's a you're on the right path. Napanood mo to, talaga nag-sink in na talagang tumugma sa'yo. It's a powerful eksena na may mga bagay na kailangan mo lang baguhin. Yung thoughts and of course mindset and perspective. So, let's see what is additional messages for this chakra. For this chakra, sinasabi dito, there's an instinct. Listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feeling. And of course, there's a confusion. No? Maaaring naguguluhan ka pa sa ngayon. Pero may mga bagay na kailangan mong matutunan at malaman. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a goddess inside. May mga pasilip sa'yo, no? May mga bagay na makikita ka, may mga bagay na ipapaunawa sa'yo, may mga bagay na malalaman mo. So, there's some clearations. Depende na lang to. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na gamitin mo yung thoughts mo sa pag-create ng mga good things, no? Kumbaga, napaka-creative person mo, kaya gamitin mo yan. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? What is Archangel Raphael messages? And of course, call upon Archangel Raphael for help. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo na tulong ng Archangel Raphael for healing. Maaaring pagagaling ka nito sa bigat, mga sakit na pinagdaanan mo, gano'n. Kumbaga sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, kailangan mo lang matutunan yung mga bagay na yan. So, sinasabi rin sa'yo ni Jesus Loving Quotes, all things whatsoever you shall ask in the prayer, believing you shall receive. Ibig sabihin nito, lahat daw ng mga bagay na dapat mong pinagdadasal, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maniwala ka daw, matatanggap mo yan at ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, no? Kapag talaga ay karapat dapat sa'yo, ipagkakaloob sa'yo. What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Monsology is take time to breathe out. May mga bagay na kailangan mo muna pag-isipan ng maraming beses or kailangan mo muna magmuni-muni para hindi ka magkaroon ng regret sa huli. And of course, the energy is gaining momentum. Itong eksena na to, hindi mo to makakalimutan. Magiging tatatak to sa buhay mo, tatatak to sa pagkatao mo. So, let's see what is the energy. Ang energy is first chakra, Archangel Michael. So, there's a protections, no? Pinoprotection ng kanina Archangel Michael sa mga way mo. And of course, there's a thinking woman. Or some of you have Gemini woman. Kaya pala there's a thinking and kaya pala there's a thoughts. That because sa thinking, no? Yung iniisip mo, yung mindset mo. 'Di ba? Doon ka talaga nagkakaroon ng dehado doon sa pag-iisip mo na yan na negativity. And of course, there's an action. Kailangan mong kumilos gumalaw. 'Di ba? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent. So, there's a 30, I am imaginative. My God, isip talaga yung pinaka-imagination, di ba? Let's see, you are original innovative thinker and excellence, communicator, and you have a greater talent for using creativity to convey your ideas, and your optimistic attitude has an uplifted effect to others. Ibig sabihin dito guys, yung pagiging imaginative or imagination and creator, no? Kumbaga sa pag-iisip ng kung ano, dapat gamitin mo in the right way, no? Kumbaga makapag-attract ka ng mga good energy, and of course there's positivity. Hindi ka dapat nag-attack ng mga negative like ego, gano'n. Kumbaga kasi yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng being paranoid, no? Yung pag-iisip ng mga nega. Nag-overthink at the same time. So what is the messages of life? Messages of life is the overcoming. So let's see what is the meaning of this. Today, in this great school of life, I practice of self-discovery by acknowledging that my fears, anger, and ego separate me from my divinity. I allow the light to grow inside me. The light gives me the power to reign over my inner kingdom. Today, I overcome all that separates me from the light that is truest self. Ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga labanan mo ang takot at pangamba mo, even your anger and ego. No? Ba kasi yun yung naghahatak sa negativity, kaya yung mga nagiging outcome ng mga kaganapan sa buhay mo ay negative. No? Nagkakaroon ng delays, nagkakaroon ng sabotage that because on your own thoughts. So, kabaguhin yung kaisipan, baguhin yung mindset at baguhin ang pananaw. So, guys, this reading is 7 Archangels Urgent Message for the sign of Gemini. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik-tiglig na guumapo ang bumalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!